guys! On today's video, we're cooking a fresh fish. We call it mackerel. We buy this in Vietnamese market, Asian store.
Ito naman yung tulingan.
We need to clean first. Linisan muna natin bago lutuin. Ito ang laki ng mackerel.
Lutuin ko yan ngayon.
So this fish is healthy. So we need to eat fish. Because Asian people need to eat fish for making strong. So we love fish. That's why we always eating fish. But here my place is, the Asian store is far. So 1 hour and a half with driving before you can buy a fish. So it's okay. If you want to buy fish, so you can drive going there. Buy fish. So ito na yung paglinis ko. Ganyan lang. So this one is mackerel. So need to clean nicely. And linisan natin ng maayos. Tsaka tanggalin natin yung mga ano niyan, laman-laman sa loob. Tsaka yung black na like red, black. Yan, blood ng fish nag-stuck doon. So we need to clean before cooking. So that's this one like that. We can take out that. This one. Make it clean very well. So. Yan. Yung isa, hahatiin ko to. Yung isa, ano ko lang. Ilagay ko lang sa tabi. Ano ko sa refrigerator. So, itong lulutuin ko yung isa. Para naman, at saka yung isa na pampano. Yan. Simpleng ano lang. Simpleng loto. Simple cooking. Just fry and then with vegetable bok choy later. So, we are here. I'm outside. Cooking outside. So that not smell inside the house. So, dito ako sa labas. Nagluto para hindi mangamoy yung sa loob ng isda. Yan. Fry fish. After this, I'm cooking for bok choy. Look yummy and cook now. See? Luto na siya. At ngayon magigisa na tayo ng ating vegetable. Cooking bok choy with cherry tomato. Simple cooking. Today I steam, but I fry little. Okay. Tasty. bok choy. simple cooking. Just like this. Ganito lang pag magluto ako. Pwede rin yan i-steam mo lang.